Mal cap, see that, je suis femme black.
Welcome back to 876 Jamaican Topic. This is Shan. Now we have a video with Najeeriii disrespecting his fans. Seems that Najeeriii reached 5 hype now. Him start disrespecting fans. I saw a video where a female fan, went up on stage and gave him a hug. And the swing, when Najeeriii swing, the girl drop a groan. And I saw in the comment section, a bunch of people were saying, walk of shame, man reach, get hype now. And them start disrespect them fan. And some people are say that's why they don't get crazy over artists. Now for me, this is not a good look on Najeeriii. A new upcoming artist to start disrespecting fans like that. I mean, I don't go for artists disrespecting their fans, but come on, Najeeriii. You didn't reach no weight and you start get too hype. Come on now. Also, we have news about Vybz Cartel, some being pulled over by the police, and it didn't look good none at all. Like the man them pull over Cartel son and them drape him up and deal with him away. But one thing I realize, I know with this little youth, in some firm against the police, like no coward thing, like yo, what no go on with. And him say a straight up foolishness them I do because them don't have nothing for hold him. And them keep on, like, to me, it look like a straight up harassment. Because other day, them running pan the family and thing, and them keep on stopping man, pull over the man and deal with the man away. Right now, it look like everything I come on for Cartel. Like, them are trying to keep him in a prison, and to how them are targeting son, this one specific son, to that. This look like, say, yo, everything I come on for the whole Cartel situation, and them are trying to pin something upon his son and get him incarcerated also. Now viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think down below in the comment section, and also leave a like on this video, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Najeeriii